Hi everyone! In this video, I will be testing performances of these two batteries. Original GoPro Hero 7 battery and this external battery pack for GoPro Hero 7 as well. This external battery pack has a power of 2300 mAh. And our original battery, Hero 7 battery, has a power of 1220 mAh battery power. So we can expect at least 80% more battery power from this external battery pack. So in this test we will see if it is true or not. So how I will do the test? Well, very simple. First of all, I will take 4K 60 FPS videos by using original GoPro Hero 7 battery, and then I will take another 4K 60 FPS videos by using this time external battery pack. Why I want to take 4K 60 FPS videos? Because I want to force GoPro Hero 7 to use maximum battery consumption. That's why I want to take 4K 60 FPS videos, and we will see how long will be the duration of the videos that we will be taking at 4K 60 FPS. So without spending any further time, let's just start. Yes, 4K 60 FPS, okay, ready, battery level is 100%, okay, start. After taking videos continuously 40 minutes, GoPro suddenly stopped. I don't know what happened, maybe it is overheated, let's see. Because usually it must take videos continuously 1 hour. So let's see. Yeah, it is very hot. Oh, yeah, it is very hot. GoPro is very hot. Maybe overheat protection has been enabled. I don't know. Yeah, it is very hot. Even the battery is very hot. Okay, let's wait a little bit and then I will continue again. Now it is cooled. I waited a few minutes. Let me check the battery, or at least battery level. How is it? Yeah, only 13% left. So that means we were able to shoot around 40 minutes with this fully charged battery continuously. Okay, I will continue again because there is 13% left. Let me continue. Okay, it's taking videos now. Okay, it stopped now. After shooting 15 minutes more, it stopped. So in total, we shoot around 55 minutes with this battery. We will see exact video durations when we check video files in laptop. When I checked the duration of the video files in laptop, I saw that we were able to shoot around 51 minutes videos in 4K 60 FPS. I will be testing another GoPro Hero battery as well. This battery was a little bit old. This battery gave us 51 minutes recording time at 4K 60 FPS. And this battery is a little new battery. Let me check the performance of this battery as well. Again at 4K 60 FPS. I think this battery will give us a little more shooting time. Yes, as you see now it is 100% fully charged. Let's record videos. Okay, now it's recording. 1 hour later, I will stop recording. Oh, no, don't stop, continue. GoPro, start recording. Okay. Because it has voice activated. That's right, okay. Now I think it is more than 60 minutes, let's check. So since this is a new battery, so it is shooting more than 60 minutes. Let's check. I will just press here. 1 hour, yeah, 62 minutes. I don't know if you can see it clearly here, but I think it is about to come to an end, yeah. You can see here. It is coming to an end, I think, yeah. I shoot around, I think 70 minutes. It was more than 60 minutes, and then it stopped shooting. We will see video files in the laptop and we will see what is the duration of the video files. So as you see, with this battery, we were able to shoot 69 minutes videos. Now I will test external battery pack with our GoPro Hero 7 again. Now I have cleaned the memory card, and now this time I will be testing the performance of this external battery pack. Now we can start testing the performance of this external battery pack. Again, I will be shooting at 4K 60 FPS. Turn on GoPro. It says no battery. It says no battery inside because I am using external battery pack. Okay. Alright, 4K 60 FPS. It says that you can shoot 1 hour 30 minutes. Start. Alright, okay. I shoot around 15 minutes and one of the light which shows battery level indicator became off, as you see here. One of them is off. Anyway, I am continuing to shoot. It is now shooting more than 30 minutes. This is the battery level, like that. Only 2 lights is on. The other 2 lights became off already. So we are continuing. After shooting around 50 minutes, now the battery level indicator has only 1 light on, like that. A few minutes later I will stop because maybe it will be overheated. Okay, now I am shooting more than 50 minutes, so I will stop recording to protect GoPro Hero 7 because it is overheated. Okay, yes. This is how it looks. I stop now. I will start again a few minutes later when it is cooled down. Now I waited a few minutes. I will start again recording. Turn on. Yes, okay. It's on now. Yeah, it is on now and it is like that. It seems 2 light is on now. Okay, let's start again. I think in total we are shooting more than 80 minutes and this is the battery level indicator, like that. It is hot a little bit. This is how it looks. Only 1 light is on, as you see. We are now shooting more than 50 minutes in the second part, including the 50 minutes that we shoot in the first part. Total shooting time is around more than 100 minutes. Still, there is only 1 light on, and we are continuously shooting now with the external battery pack. We shoot around 52 minutes, I think, and it stopped now. It stopped recording. It stopped recording. I will check. When I checked it, I saw that it says SD card is full. So I will empty SD card and then I will continue again. As you see, it says SD card is full. Let's shoot. Okay, I will just press on the record button. Okay, now we are continuing again. I was able to shoot only 1 minute and then it stopped now. So now I will check the video files to see the duration of the videos. I finished transferring the video files to my laptop and I saw that by using external battery pack, we shoot more than 100 minutes, 101 minutes actually. Now I will do another test and this time I will use internal battery of GoPro Hero 7 inside GoPro Hero. I will put this one inside and then I will also use another external battery pack. This one also is a fully charged external battery pack. I will use this one and then we will see what will be the duration of the video files that we will be taking by using this internal battery pack and external battery pack all together at the same time. Let's find out. Okay, I have cleaned the memory card. It is like that. Let's put this one into this case. As you see, lights which shows the level indicator, they are all on. So turn on GoPro. GoPro is on. As you see, GoPro is on now and this is how it looks in the screen. It is showing the battery level of the internal battery of GoPro Hero 7. Okay, let's continue to shoot again. Yes, okay. Why it is not shooting? So I just noticed that when I am using external battery pack together with internal battery, it is not taking videos. Let me show you. You see, the screen goes off. The screen goes off and then I need to press power button again. It becomes on, but it doesn't shoot. So when you are using external battery pack together with internal battery, you cannot take videos. So now let's compare the performances of external battery and internal battery together. So after these testings, let me summarize you my findings. This external battery pack gives us 45 or 50% more shooting time compared to original GoPro Hero 7 batteries. If your GoPro Hero 7 battery or Hero 6 battery is old, then this external battery pack gives you almost 100% more shooting time. But if your GoPro Hero battery is a new one, then this external battery pack gives you almost 45 or 40% more shooting time. Still, it is a good time actually. The worst thing is that when you are shooting with this external battery pack, you cannot use your external microphone with your GoPro Hero 7 or Hero 6 or Hero 5. Because this is blocking external microphone adapter socket. So that's why you cannot use your external microphone. So you must use your internal microphone on your GoPro Hero 6 or Hero 7 or Hero 5. So if you are using external battery pack like this, it's better to take hyperlapse videos or time-lapse videos with your GoPro Hero 7 or Hero 5 or Hero 6. Another worst thing is that when you have battery inside GoPro Hero 7 and when you use external battery together with internal battery, you cannot take videos and you cannot even take photos as well. As you saw in this test, I should add 4K 60 FPS to get maximum battery consumption from GoPro Hero 7. If you use 4K 30 FPS or if you use hyperlapse or time-lapse videos, you can get more shooting times. So these were my findings. If you have any comment about this testing, please share with me in the comment section down below. If you have other types of external battery packs, please also share with us in the comment section down below. Until we see you in my next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.